Laxamana. And also would like to thank SM Megamall Cinema and SM Cinemas. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. And syempre, I'd like to announce that this movie, Baby Boy, Baby Girl, is rated R16 by the MTRCB. So we can invite 16 years old and above ng mga friends natin, pamangkin, anak, tito, tita, ayan, lola, lola, pwede natin panoorin si mommy at si daddy ng Baby Boy, Baby Girl. Mas masaya kung isasama natin ang buong barkada. Thank you very much again for attending our premiere night, everybody, and congratulations because you are one of the first who will witness Baby Boy, Baby Girl on the big screen. Being an artist, a singer, please welcome Michael, Pete, Austin, Deezen, and Gray Garcia. How are you today?
I'm feeling good. I get to see the movie, so pretty excited. It's my second time watching any movie film in the Philippines, and my second year, so pretty stoked on that.
Alright, so have you watched the trailer, Baby Boy, Baby Girl?
I have, so I'm really excited to see
You're
it.
really excited. Congratulations, because you were one of the first who can watch Baby Boy, Baby Girl. Yes. This time, please tell them where they can follow you.
Yeah, all socials at Michael Keith Music. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok at Michael Keith Music. MICHAELKEITH
Alright, and syempre joining us today, two gentlemen, please come up here and join us. Join him and Michael Keith on stage. Please introduce yourself and say hello to everybody.
What's up, everyone? My name is Gray Garcia. Viva Artist.
My name is Austin Diesel, Viva Artist as well.
Alright, and syempre kayo naman, both of you, how excited are you to watch Baby Boy, Baby Girl?
Very excited po kami kasi ang aga din namin po kami.
Yeah, sobrang ganda ng trailer actually and nakakaabang nga talaga sobra.
Nakakaabang-abang talaga sobra. They're still walking, guys. I know you guys are looking at the entrance. Who's gonna walk? So ready your phones. And by the way, if you have photos and videos of the red carpet premiere, please post it on your social media, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and please tag Viva Films and also the stars of Baby Boy, Baby Girl, as well as please use our official hashtag for tonight. Hashtag Baby Boy, Baby Girl Premiere Night. Please welcome Matt Francisco and PJ Rosario.
Good evening, I'm Matt Francisco.
Hi everyone, good evening. I'm PJ Rosario.
Okay, so from where are you guys? Galing pa kayo saan?
Galing bahay.
Galing bahay. I mean, ang traffic ba kayo going here sa Ortigas? Is it traffic? Hindi nawawala ang traffic. Sobrang tagal. Pero mamaya-maya, yung paghihintay natin, okay na okay kasi papanoorin natin ang Baby Boy, Baby Girl. What are you expecting sa Baby Boy, Baby Girl?
Well, ayoko mag-expect kasi masasaktan tayo kung nag-expect.
Ay, may hulog na ganon.
Pero excited ako mapanood kasi curious ako bakit Baby Boy at bakit Baby Girl.
Bakit Baby Boy at bakit Baby Girl? How about you, PJ?
Siyempre, expect natin yung direct Jason Paul Laxamana.
Aha.
Experience natin based sa trailer na napanood niyo. Ganda siya.
Maganda talaga, Baby Boy, Baby Girl. Trailer pala. We have two beautiful ladies and one handsome gentleman. Please welcome Michael Raz, Milen Gal, and Frost Sandoval.
Hi everyone, good evening po.
Good evening, my name is Frost Sandoval.
Good evening everyone, I'm Milan. Thank you all for coming tonight.
Alright, so how excited are you three for the movie?
Very excited.
Other artists, this is from VAA, Viva Artist Agency, and Ninuno Media. Please welcome Keegan De Jesus, Kurt D, VJ Vera, and Martin Venegas.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
I'm Keegan De Jesus.
And I'm Kurt Daniel po. I'm Martin Venegas po.
And we have...
Hi, my name is VJ Vera.
Alright, there you have it. Thank you for supporting supporting the movie under kayo kay Direk Jason Paul, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, yes po, yes po.
So how excited are you? How excited are you guys?
We're so excited to watch Derek's work po. It's so nice to be here.
Yes, first time ba sa premiere night?
Yeah, actually it's my first time here sa premiere night po. It's my first experience, so it's fun.
Okay, congrats on your first experience. How about you guys?
And I'm sure this will be a very good movie because, of course, it was directed by Director Paul Laxamana and the cast was so good. And alam naman natin sila and how good are they. And ayun, abangan po natin lahat.
Alright, and how about Martin? Invite mo na sila. Invite mo na sila.
Manood na kayo. Abangan niyo, siyempre, hindi kayo ma-disappoint sa gawa ni Direk Jason. So, sobrang ganda.
Baby boy, baby girl, please welcome #Ryle Paulo Santiago.
Hi, good evening everybody. Thank you for attending. Kala mo kasama sa movie. No, but I hope that we have a good time tonight and wala pa naman ako napapanood ng Jason Paul Laxamana film na hindi tumatak sa akin. So I'm sure this latest offering of Direct Jason and Viva Films will be something to remember. So congratulations po sa lahat ng buo ng Baby Boy, Baby Girl.
That's it. Yes, congratulations and congratulations din sa'yo dahil isa ka sa makakapanood ng Baby Boy, Baby Girl. Unang-una.
Libre pa.
Libre. Libre pa na premiere night. Alright, and joining us this evening supporting the movie, please welcome Direct Phil Durano. Long time no see. How are you feeling right now?
I'm very excited.
How excited are you? Extremely excited. So what are you expecting in this movie, Baby Boy, Baby Girl?
I don't know what to expect. I just think it's going to be really fun.
Alright. Are you nervous right now? You feeling happy today? Oh, it's nice to see you too. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for the compliment. Ang pambansang bota! The TikTok influencer, please welcome Aaron Manego!
Good evening po sa mga tao. Ako po ang inyong pambansang Borda Barbie Manila.
Hi! Grabe.
Kami naman kung walang reaction.
Wala pa kayong mga kamay dyan? Everybody, come on! Alright, let's have fun tonight. So, how are you feeling right now? How excited are you for the film?
I am not feeling any pressure right now.
Ang beauty queen.
I'm very excited to watch this film, especially since Kylie is a friend and I'm crush ko po si Marco, diba? Siyempre. Kaya sobrang excited po ako. Sana makapanood po tayo lahat ng Baby Boy, Baby Girl.
Ayan, panoorin natin ang Baby Boy, Baby Girl, and thank you so much for attending our premiere night.
Thank you.
Yes, pleasure to have you here. And this time, I'd like to encourage everybody to please give a big hand to our cast. Yan, so our supporting cast, and most especially to our lead stars. This time, let me introduce to you our supporting cast. We have Jimmy Marquez. Please welcome. Alright. Ang sweet naman ng voice. So can you tell us about your role?
Yes, I play the event manager and boss of Kylie dito. Very firm and very, hindi naman strict, but very efficient sa work niya.
Anong feel mo ngayon? Kinakabahan ka ba or excited ka?
Not at all. I'm actually looking forward to watching the movie because this was, I think we shot this 5 months ago if I'm not mistaken. So it's about time that we get to watch it. So I'm really looking forward and very excited.
Excited. This time, we have 2 artists from the supporting cast of the movie Baby Boy, Baby Girl to walk on the red carpet. Please welcome Gino Roque and Andrea Babierra.
Hi everyone! Thank you so much for being here tonight para supportahan ang Baby Boy, Baby Girl. I'm Andrea Babierra and please support us. Thank you!
Yeah, hi guys, my name is Gino Roque and thank you guys so much for supporting the movie and I'll see you guys later.
Okay, at bago tayo magkita-kita naman, syempre gusto namin malaman yung characters ninyo dito sa movie. Can you share with us?
Yes everyone, I play KYLIE. Ako dito yung kaibigan ni KYLIE Verzosa. Ako yung makulit at kengkoy na kaibigan ni Jean
Yeah, so my character is called Abel. So he's part of the same group as Marco. So he's actually one of the core members. And medyo hothead siya, but you guys will see later in the movie.
This time we have another two young artists joining us because they are part of the cast of Baby Boy, Baby Girl. So please welcome Migo, Valid, and Yan Durano.
Hello everyone! Good evening! So excited for everyone to watch the movie. Tomorrow na yan guys, so abangan.
Please say hello to them, Migo.
Hello po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon. And ayun na, sana panoorin nyo at subaybayan tong Baby Boy TV.
Hi guys!
Ang short naman ng Thor. Okay, so what are the characters you guys are playing here on the movie?
Ako yung girlfriend ni Ate Giselle Sanchez dito.
Girlfriend.
Ay, boyfriend.
Boyfriend. Okay.
Ano ba yun nagkakalapay din
How about yan?
Oh, sugar baby lang. Cute lang.
Sugar baby. Cute na sugar baby. How about you?
Ang pangalan ko dito is Philippine and isa ako sa mga pinakamahusay na sugar baby dito. Abangan yun.
Mga sugar babies ang kasama natin ngayon. Alright! And up next, please welcome the multi-talented artist, the beautiful Miss Giselle Sanchez!
Hello everybody! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Giselle Sanchez. Ang mapangit sa TV pero maganda sa personal.
Maganda sa TV, maganda sa personal.
Kaya naman gusto ko sa personal. Favorite hosts. Aside from ano?
Mas maganda sa personal.
Hindi naman. Salamat naman sa ating pinamahal na press at natulad mo rin. Okay.
Share mo naman sa akin natin, Giselle, kung ano yung character mo dito sa movie.
Ay, very interesting ang aking character. Ako po si Vivian Okiko at baby boy, kulog naman si Marco Gumabao. At sana all, diba? At eto pa, binasted ko pa siya. Ang ganda ko, diba? Ang ganda ko. Binasted ko siya kasi I got a younger guy. Yung kanina, si Thor.
Si Thor.
Si Thor, yun. So, diba? Ang dami kong boys.
So, abangan natin kung gaano ka-sexy at kaganda si Ate Giselle.
Yes! Abangan ninyo ang paglalandi namin ni Marco Gumabao.
At paano niya binasted si Marco?
Oo, tsaka yun lang, masasabi ko lang talaga, hawak pinapanood ko yung cringe. Pero yun, kasi syempre, yung anak ko halos, konti na lang, maging andun na sila ni Marco Gumabao, diba? Kaya parang, diba? Pero masaya yung film. It's very funny, and may kalidad tungkol sa mga sugar babies. And it's really fun. It's just, if you guys would just want to have fun, panoorin niyo po Baby Boy, Baby Girl. Napakagaling po ng mga artista. Hindi po yung mga bagong artista dito napakagaling. At syempre pa kaming director, napakagaling.
Siyempre, abangan din natin yung acting ni Ate Giselle dyan. Na napakagaling din. Alright, I think this is Miss Nicole. Miss Nicole, hello. Can I invite you here to please come up on stage and just say hello to everybody?
Hi everybody!
Nicole Vermeer, everyone. Alright, how excited are you to watch the film Baby Boy, Baby Girl?
Super excited actually. I've seen the trailer of this movie already and I can already tell that it's going to be one whirlwind of an experience to watch.
Alright, who's with you tonight?
My fellow mentor, father figure, our Tito Jerry Diaz, yes.
Thank you for joining us. But before I call in the lead stars of Baby Boy, Baby Girl, and the director, again, everybody, ready your phones and cameras because they will be walking on the red carpet in a few. All of the family of KYLIE VERZOSA.
Good evening everyone, thank you for the support.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. So we'd like to invite everybody. Tangkilikin nyo ang pelikula ni Kylie and the Marco. Baby boy, baby girl.
The lead stars and the director of Baby Boy, Baby Girl. Please welcome Marco, Gumabao, Kylie Verzosa, and Derek Jason Paul Laxamana.
Hello everyone! Good evening! I love you too!
Alright, what's up guys? Are you guys excited to see baby boy and baby girl? Alright, thanks so much for coming and for spending your Tuesday night with us. And I hope na magustuhan